Mike, innovative door. Alright, we got 2 doors now with the bling on them. Like I said, these doors scream for windows, but that's my opinion. Windows would have been so sweet here. Anyways, it is what it is. There it is, your garage door bling by Innovative Garage Door. Okay, nothing too fancy about this, just flat, flush stuff. Okay, nothing fancy, but that's why it's standard. So, 2 standard doors with standard hinges and hardware. It does look better without it, but there it is. 2 garage doors, Axon CHIs with standard hinges and hardware. For all your needs, call 630-271-9343. Visit us online, www.innovativegaragedoor.com. Visit us in the showroom, 650 Ogden, Downers Grove. Thanks for watching our Accent CHI standard hinges and hardware video, and as always, praise the Lord.